Hi everyone. So today we're going to solve Leetcode Daily challenge, problem number 974, Subarray sums divisible by k. So the problem statement is very simple and straightforward that we have to find out all the subarrays, like the number of subarrays, uh, which can be divisible by a given number k. And they have given a short definition of subarray. So subarray is a continuous part of an array. And they have also given some example like 450 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. In this particular array, we'll have 7 subarrays which can be divisible by 5. Okay. So the first thing, like the first intuition which came to me when I saw this problem was to use the prefix sum approach. And you could have just, figured out all the subarrays from a particular, from this given array and could have checked out if the sum using the prefix sum approach is divisible by 5 or not. But in that case, it's gonna be n square solution, right? And after I saw the constraint that the length could be 3 into 10 to the power 4, it wasn't possible for us to actually execute the solution without the runtime error. Even I tried implementing that, but obviously, like I got the runtime error. So the next thing you know which led to the solution was what we can just cache the reminders. For example, uh, let's take this February. The sum is 9. Okay, 9 percentile 5, which will give us a reminder 4. Okay, let's say this subarray or whatever subarray we are at, okay, gives us a reminder of 4, and we will keep a hash map to keep a track of the number of subarrays we have seen as of now of that particular reminder. Okay. So we're gonna check if this reminder is already there in the server in the hash map or not. If not, we will add the value in it. If it is there, I'll just simply check what was the value of that key of that reminder as of now, and I'll add that into the result which I'll be returning. So let's move towards the solution. Uh, First things first, I want to declare a variable which I'll be using for my prefix sum. Let's initialize it with 0. Okay. Let's keep result also 0 and let's declare a hash map. In this, we will have to keep uh, an initial value of 0, 1 because we are initializing our prefix sum with 0, right? So it makes sense to have this value already over here. Next thing, I want to just simply iterate through the numbers array which we have received, and let's do all the arithmetic operation in this variable where is prefix sum plus. Basically, I'm adding the new value in my sum which I have received as of yet, and I want to divide it by k. Okay, so this is the current reminder. Next thing is I want to add if this reminder is already in our hash map. Okay, so to do that, what I'll be doing is hash map dot get current reminder. If it is not there, we'll simply add 0 in it. Okay. Next thing is I want to increment the value of this current reminder if it is already in the hash map. If not, I want to introduce it into the hash map. So to do that, hash map, let's check the key, and we can use the save operation which we have done over here and do the increment. So if there will be if the key was there, we will simply add 1. If not, we initialize it with 0 and we'll add 1 in it. And at the last, I want to update my prefix sum, which we are carrying with the with the current value. And at last, just simply return the results. So this was a simple code. Like it was not super intuitive at the very first go when you read through the problem, but after a while and observing the structure of the solution, like you will be able to get what exactly can be implemented. So let's check out the test cases. Yeah. So the test cases got accepted. Let's submit for further evaluation. Awesome. So the solution got accepted and we outperformed 64.19% of the submitted solution. I think it's a decent score. So yeah. Thanks again guys for watching the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Don't forget to check out other playlists on the channel as well. Thank you.